What's up you guys, this is Jay from Jaw Trades and I'm making this video live. Today is 5th of April 2021. I took 4 trades in total and all of my trades were winning trade, making it 100% win rate for the day. Market was really good today. We had a lot of stocks from my watch list breaking all-time high like Microsoft, Facebook and Google. If you want to see my daily watch list, you can follow me on Instagram. I will post a link in the description box below. We can look at SPY at the bottom of the screen right here. SPY broke 400 level on Thursday last week. Market was closed on Friday, but we saw a really good continuation on Monday. That is 5th of April. Today at the break of 400, SPY just broke 406, which is a really clean move on the overall market. Let's now take a look at Tesla. I was watching Tesla for the day. I wasn't a big fan of Tesla because it already gapped up around 6-7% in the pre-market itself, making it a bit too extended on higher time frames. The next stock I was watching is Facebook. Facebook also broke all-time high. The previous all-time high was 304.67. It broke the all-time high. 305-ish was the pre-market high. It broke it. It tested the pre-market high and now it's at 310, making it a really clean move on Facebook. The next stock I was watching is Microsoft. Microsoft again broke all-time high. The previous all-time high was 246. It broke all-time high and it's now at around 250 level, which is the high of the day. I think we can see a further continuation move upwards at the break of 250 level, but it's a bit too extended. I usually get done with my trading within the first hour of market open, that is from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. EST. I was also watching Google. Again, the same reason. Google also broke all-time high and it made a $60 move after breaking all-time high from 2150 to now around 2210. I was able to capitalize on Google, which was my biggest trade for the day. Let's now look at my trades and see what I did. I will open my OneNote. I just finished with my journaling. My first trade was on Tesla. As you know, I was long biased on Tesla because they had really good delivery numbers that they released on Friday last week. They beat the estimates. That's why I was long biased on Tesla. I tried to catch reversal on Tesla at the break of 700 towards the downside. I got in calls, not puts. That means I am predicting that the stock will go up. I got in 2 contracts, 710 calls at the break of 700 towards the downside. I got filled at 17.20. I was expecting Tesla to make this V reversal. That's what it usually does if the buyers are really strong, but it failed to break the 9 EMA towards the upside. That's why I got out both my contracts at a premium price of 17.59, making around $50-60 including commissions on this trade. My next trade was on Google. Google also made a new all-time high. I missed this initial move up, but I waited for the flag. At the break of the flag, I entered 5 contracts. I'm trading 2200 calls, same week expiry. I got filled at 11.40. At the break of 2170, I took 2 contracts out at 12.60. After the break of 2170, when the stock was around 2171, I took another contract out at 13.77. After taking out 3 contracts out of my 5 contracts, I was left with 2 contracts. I took another contract out at the break of 2175 and at this consolidation, I got out completely of my position at 15.60. This is because I know how Google options move. They move really fast. So if you're right, you're gonna get paid, but if you're wrong, you're gonna lose a lot of your investment. My next trade was on Amazon. As soon as I entered Amazon, I knew that this is gonna be a quick scalp because it's very extended. It moved from 3175 to 3200, but there was a huge order on level 2 at 3200. Once I saw that the orders are getting filled on the time and sales, I entered 5 contracts at a premium price of 7.65. As soon as it broke 3200, we saw 3205 and I took all my contracts out at 8.15. I did not hold this position because I already knew that the stock is very extended. I just wanted to catch the momentum at the break of 3200 and take my profits out. After Amazon, my last trade was on Facebook. I missed the initial push up on Facebook at the break of 305 because I was trading Amazon at that time. I usually don't trade 2 stocks at the same time. I like to focus 1 stock at a time and 1 position at a time. After the break of 305 that I missed, it gave us 1 candle consolidation. At the break of 306, I entered 10 contracts, trading 310 calls, same week expiry. My fill was at 2.97, but then I exited all my contracts at 3.05, making around $50-60 on this trade, including commissions because I had to pay commissions on 20 contracts. I exited this position pretty much break even. This is because in the back of my mind, I knew that I missed a good entry on Facebook because I was again trading Amazon. I missed this move. If you would have caught 304.5 to 306.5, this would have been a good move, but I knew it already that I'm chasing Facebook at this point. That's why I exited this position pretty much much break even, making $60-70. That's it guys, these are all my positions for the day. I took 4 trades in total and all my 4 trades were winners, making it 100% win rate for the day. As I explained in my last video, that a start of a new quarter is like a new start to my trading. That's why I try to reduce my size. As you can see that I'm only taking 5-10 contracts, only investing $5,000 to $10,000 on a position. In total today, I made $1635. I made $1251 on Google, $244 on Amazon, $76 on Tesla, and $65 on Facebook. All these plays were from my watch list. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, again, make sure that you follow me there. I post my daily watch list on my Instagram story, so you don't want to miss them. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for a lot more trading content and trading recaps. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.